my name's Hannah. Welcome back to another video. So today is a really exciting video. Well, for me. But I am really super duper uber sorry that I have not uploaded since forever. But if you want to go see my Powerpuff Girl video where I'm drawing Blossom, go check that out. So today I have a really good slime. So let's open it up. And yes, I have a case. So this is my slime. I had a little batch of slime. But I gave it to my sister and my sister ruined it. She made it hard. Let me roll up my sleeves. Okay, so this is my slime. Let me poke it. This is it. And yeah. Okay, so we have a couple of things. So today for today's video, I'm gonna be putting things in slime. So and seeing if it works. I'm gonna take little pieces of slime and see if it works. So the things I'm gonna be putting in is Play-Doh. Let me open this up. Play-Doh. I'll just Play-Doh. It kind of stretches, but it easily rips. Some Bath and Body Works lotion, and see if it scents it, or give it some smell. Toothpaste, and some soap. So yeah, let's get on right with the video. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna put in is Play-Doh. So it's a little piece. So, what's this? Yeah. Anyway, okay. So, sorry that you can see the little piece. Let me put my slime. Okay, so this is the piece of slime. So we're gonna put a little bit of Play-Doh. So let's see if it's gonna turn it into butter slime or do something. Oh, it is getting incredibly sticky. Well, I mean, not that sticky, but ooh. Play-Doh is kind of okay. The only good thing about this is that it is incredibly stretchy. Ooh, what is this doing? I should have got the contact lens solution before I did this, but no, I don't think. So it's a very little piece and it's sticking so much. So no, don't put Play-Doh in slime, guys. Don't. Or else it would mess up your slime. So yeah. I'm gonna go try to not mess up everything, which I am already. I'm just gonna clean my hands. Sorry, see? Oh, it's still sticking. I have slime on my hands. Where's the towel? Okay. I am going to pause the video. Okay, guys, so this is a big no-no. Kind of messed up the desk. But, no, I got it off. All of it off. So, okay. The next thing I'm going to be trying is lotion, Bath and Body lotion. This smells like, let me see. It smells so good. No. So, we're going to get a piece of my slime. So, this is the little piece of slime we're going to do. And if it turns out well, I'm going to add a lot of lotion into here. Oh, why is the slime sticking now? No, that's not a good sign. It means the plate is still on my hands. But here's the slime. Very stretchy right now. Okay. Just add a little bit. Okay. we got some on there, the white piece. Oh, wow, it mixed in really good already. Oh wow, it's stretchy. Really stretchy. And yes, it does leave a scent, and it's really, really clear. I am like in love with this. Oh, no, don't stick to me. Don't stick to me. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna add some more into here. That's how much. So I am really good in love with this. So let's see. Mostly you put this on butter slime, but this is just normal slime. Oh, why is it sticky? That's not a good sign. I thought it was gonna be good, but no. Oh, okay, never mind. You just have to keep on eating it. Like, this turned out really, really good, so we're just gonna mix it in there. Ooh, it actually makes it turn into better poking. Cause when I just started this video, ooh, it makes better bubbles. It makes the slime a little bit bigger. And yes, it does leave a scent. Oh. So yeah, now we're gonna take another teensy tiny bit piece. So the next thing we're gonna be trying is some soap. Some soap. So this soap does not smell. It just smells like regular soap. So yeah, we're gonna. Oh no, please don't stick. So we're gonna see what it's gonna do to this slime. So just add a little bit. Okay. Ooh. Oh, it's kind of getting sticky, but it actually adds more smell from the lotion. It actually makes it a little more like stronger and like better. Okay, this did work. Thumbs up. Ding ding ding. And you guys can give a video on this thumbs up too. I mean, a thumbs up on this video too. But for this slime, it's a really good slime. I mean, you know, really, it added a really good touch to the slime. It's very, 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 very soft slime. Oh no, there's something stuck to me there. So at the end of this video, if any of the slime gets sticky, at the end of this video, I'm going to be adding some contact lens solution. So yeah, I'm going to record the contact lens solution part. So, yeah. We're going to put some soap in here. I don't want it too much so it doesn't damage the soap. I mean, my slime. So yeah. Oh no. Okay. Don't worry. It got sticky before. Okay. Does smell better than ever. Oh! So I'm going to add this piece of slime. I don't know if you guys can see my slime. So the final one, and after this one, I'm going to make a part 2 and find random stuff that looks like it could be in slime. I don't know. So yeah. The last thing is toothpaste. So, toothpaste. It is made with some baking soda. So, I added baking soda in this slime, so let's see if it does make it work. Or, you know, like, do something to it. So, but so far, the slime is really good because of all but except the Play-Doh one. So let's just put my slime in there. And then, okay, so here is the slime. So let's just add some toothpaste. So I'm really confident with this because, because it has baking soda in it, so yeah. So I added some toothpaste. It might add a minty smell to my slime, I think. Oh, yep. Oh. It's kind of getting sticky. Cause I've actually seen a lot of videos with toothpaste putting in slime, and it just makes it into a really, really bad mess. But just saying, if you only add a little bit, then it won't be as bad. But just add a little bit of activator. Oh, it makes even better poking. So now, this is really, really good. It makes your slime stretchier. It added a little bit of mint smell to it. So I'm gonna get the rest of my slime and add a teeny tiny little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that. This little piece of slime. So let's add it. Okay, here we are. Okay, starting to get a little bit sticky, but it does make the slime smell a little bit minty and stretchier and bubblier a little bit. And better poking. So guys, yeah, this is my slime, and I'll be right back with the contact lens solution to kind of activate it a little bit. Boop. Okay, guys, this is the contact lens solution I'll be using. So that. So guys, I'm going to make a part 2 after this one when it's uploading. So yeah, please give this a big thumbs up. And please press that subscribe button. And yeah, please press that subscribe button. Let's see if we can get this to, I don't know. And comment down below if you have any ideas that do work for slime, and I'm going to test it out and see if they really do work. So, yeah. Ooh. Pops. Okay, guys, so bye. I mean, boy. Sorry, I keep on forgetting my outro. That is not good. But boy.